I hate bending over to plant corn, or anything else for that matter, and I didn't want to spend $100 on a fancy garden planter. This is how to build a seed planter in about 10 minutes for just a few dollars. When you're ready to plant, place the end of the pipe exactly where you want the seed and drop in a seed. It really beats bending over every time or crawling on your knees to plant seeds. This planter is simply a 1-inch piece of PVC water pipe and a recycled plastic bottle. Cut the PVC so it's a comfortable length for your height. That's about 40 inches for my height. Lots of products come in funnel-shaped bottles like the heat fuel additive bottle. Simply cut off the end, cut out the bottom, and be sure you wash it thoroughly before you use it. You could use a funnel here, but an empty bottle is free recycled trash. You can also glue it or duct tape it into position if you like.